Over a quarter century, digital marketing became a compounding trap. Every new channel and algorithm added layers of friction, forcing brands to manage more infrastructure just to reach the same audience. This produced the M by N problem. As the number of AI models grew alongside thousands of software services, connecting them required custom integrations for every possible combination. Marketers were pushed into the role of mechanics, spending their time maintaining brittle workflows instead of executing strategy. Between 2000 and 2002, the dot-com crash ended the era of digital billboards. Advertising pivoted to search, replacing estimated impressions with the math of cost per click. By 2006, Google's algorithms dictated search visibility, while social media began standardizing how users interacted with brands online. In 2007, the iPhone moved the internet from the desktop to the pocket, collapsing the distance between online and offline behavior. The 2008 financial crisis stripped away corporate patience for unmeasured spend. Marketers pivoted toward ROI tracking and real-time social media management to justify every dollar. By 2010, mobile browsing was no longer a niche. The desktop era was effectively dead. While this decade built the digital foundation, the tools themselves were still siloed just enough for human teams to manage them individually. This diagram shows the shift from 2011 to 2013. The standard sales funnel fractured into an industrialized pipeline, where data tracking nodes were attached to every consumer interaction. From 2014 to 2016, mobile design became the requirement. Platforms systematically reduced organic reach, forcing brands to pay for access. By 2019, vertical video formats accelerated the fragmentation of attention. Global privacy regulations then emerged, challenging the industry's tracking models. Marketing became constant algorithmic maintenance. In 2020, the global pandemic forced the acceleration of digital commerce, moving years of retail evolution into a single window. The 2021 mobile privacy updates severed long-standing data pipelines, followed closely by the 2022 introduction of generative AI, which flooded the web with synthetic noise. By 2024, the struggle to connect rapidly evolving models to legacy software reached a breaking point. This led to the adoption of the Model Context Protocol to standardize these connections. This dashboard represents the 2025 standard. Search engines began summarizing brand answers directly, moving the industry toward zero-click marketing, where the AI interface is the primary destination. By the end of 2025, the marketing tech stack was a web of custom integrations, nearing total entropy and collapse. In 2026, Zero-MCP replaces tangled middleware with a single local configuration. The .0n standard federates hundreds of tools into one interface. By making tool access native to the model, it removes the need for human-built Zapier-style connections. With 535 tools available through one command, the process moves from building workflows to describing outcomes. You talk to the stack, and the orchestrator handles the multi-step execution. As models gain direct access to CRM, email, and billing data, marketing operations transition from rigid manual automation to intent-driven orchestration.